Hello mga ka-travel. Nandito kami mag-tour tour sa Dubai Canal of Creek. That's a sock. Yeah, you see that area there, guys? That's the gold sock. Diyan yun na makikita yung mga gold na sinisell. So, nandito kami. Ito yung most nila. Yeah. It's like a water taxi, that isn't it? Yeah. So, Happy New Year everyone. Happy New Year for 2025. So, nandito lang kami tour. Teka. Ang ganda kaya ng Dubai. Punta kayo ng Dubai, guys. So, that's the yung mga buildings. Panood lang kayo, guys, ha. Yeah. So, the old building. Alright. You see this building around here, guys? This is the House of Illusion na mayroon akong video. I think still premiere or ano. So this is the House of Illusion. This building around here, guys, the old building. Yeah. The one that we standing yesterday. You see that one there, the corner. Hello, guys. This is the part of the House of Illusion. Yeah, we were there yesterday. Yeah, it's like a Venice there, isn't it? Yeah. So this is called the Dubai Canal or Creek. Yeah. So yung ano na naman. On the other side. This is more comfortable ship than like that one there. Yeah. Ayan, guys. So ganito yung ano pag mag-tour kayo dito sa part ng Dubai. Yan. Just for fun. other side of this boat yesterday because I know I have picture of that one. See the boat there? Actually, this is like a water taxi. Yeah, ng Dubai. Yan. Diba guys? Nakarating din kayo dito, no? Kahit nasa video na lang. Yan. I'm sure yung iba dyan sa inyo dito din nagtatrabaho sa Dubai. Grabe, ang daming Pilipina dito, Filipinos. Parang Little Manila. So, where is that marina, Dad?
Marina.
The one that we're going today?
Oh, it's very far from here. It's not on this creek. Further than this is 20 miles.
So, there's more bit. Yeah. So, later on this afternoon, guys, we're going to move to the marina. 20 minutes from here. Look at the big Christmas tree, Dad. Look at that, guys. Wow. So, nandito na kami, guys. Malapit na. Ayan. So, mamaya ano na kami, lipat kami doon sa marina na area. Doon na kami mag-stay ng another 11 days, something like that. Yeah. So,
It's like a shareable.
yeah. There are two. Actually, there's another one there. See there, that two.
This one.
Yeah. So, nandito na tayo, guys. Only 20 minutes on the water taxi. Yeah. Okay. So, dito na tayo. Yan. Yeah. So, labas na kami, guys. Yan, labas na tayo. Hanggang dito na lang. Yeah. Happy New Year! Yan. So, dito na. You see on the other side there, guys, you can see the Dubai frame. Yeah, this Dubai frame. And there's another, look there, decoration. Christmas tree. It's quite high. Yeah. So, mag-explore tayo, guys. Dito sa this part ng Dubai. Explore. Yan. Ano mga ba? Sheraton? That's a Sheraton, Dad. That's a Sheraton hotel. That one. Yeah. Yeah. It's very pleasant, actually, Dubai. It's very nice. We're gonna cross here. Look at there, guys. Yeah. And that's another building. I'm not sure what's that one. It's quite good one. Yeah. Oh, that's... Well, we cross this one. We cross the street. Yes. Oh, sorry. It's a little bit windy today. Yeah. So, dito tayo. Ito daw eh. Yan, ang ganda ng mga view, guys, diba? Yan, oh, ikot ko lang kayo, guys. Yan, at least nakarating kayo din dito kahit nasa video na lang. Yan. So this is our last day on this area, and then later on we're going to move to the marina. So we're gonna stay there until we going back to UK. So there's another part of Dubai later on. Yeah. You see that building, guys? You see the one in the top? It's look like a shaver. You know, the man used to cut their beard like a shaver. And this is the another building. It's quite good. So mag-explore tayo dito. Yeah, kasi ito na yung last day namin dito na part ng Dubai. Dali na. Oh, yan. Dito ng part ng Dubai. So last day namin dito. Tapos lilipat na kami sa Marina. So doon parang more civilized. But dito they're more like old area. Yan. So lakad-lakad kami muna ni Daddy Cole bago kami mag-check out. Yan. Hello guys, you can see all this, the Egyptian. Yeah, there's the Egyptian. Yeah. So, and there is another here on this side. So we're going to see here. What's the Egyptian thing? Wow, look at this, guys. Wow. It's a very nice. Yeah. You can see on the top. There's the ceiling, guys. Wow, this is nice. Dapat nandito pala kami nag-lunch. Sabi ni Daddy Cole, saan nandito kami nag-lunch? Yan oh, ang stairs. Yan. Sige. Yan. Ang bango dito, guys. Super. Wala, ang bango-bango. So there's another stairs. Go up. Saan na yun si Daddy Cole? Hello. More building here, guys. Yan yung nakikita ata sa sa building namin, sa apartment.